Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing us how to make this rose. I posted the video on my channel, but I got comments to make the tutorial, full tutorial on how to achieve this design. And I'm going to show us at this time. So this is it. So to get started, I have my size 8 silver bead, and I have size 2 gold seed bead size 2. This is 8 mm silver. So to get started, I have my beading needle size 9, and I'm using a fishing line 0.35. So to start, I'm going to pick 8 crystal. Remember, this design, you can reduce it. You can use 6 crystal. You can make it bigger by using 12, 10, depending on what you want actually. But for this one, I'm going to use 8. So you can reduce it to what you're doing to fit into what you want to do with it. So I'm going to pick 8 of it. So then 8. This is 8. Then I'm going to tie it. I'll tie 3 times. So after tying it like this, I have the 8 tied like this, and I'm going to pass my needle through one of the crystal like this. So after passing my needle, I'm going to pick 1 gold, 1 crystal, and 3 gold, then 1 size 8, and I'll pick another 1. So at this point, I will have it like this. This is what I have. So since I'm coming out from this bead here, this silver here, I'm going to pass behind it, behind the same silver my fishing line came out from, like this. So at this point, I have this shape. I have it attached like this. So the next thing to do now, I'll pass my needle through this seed bead under it, just this seed bead, one of it. I'll pass my needle through it. So which after passing it, I'll have it like this. So after coming out of the seed bead like this, here, I'm going to pick 8 gold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have 8 now. So after picking this 8, I'm going to pass through this 3 I picked before, the middle 3 here. Hope you can see it very well, the middle 3. That's where I'll pass through. Then once I pass through the 3, I have it like this. Then I'll pick another 8 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'll pick another 8. Then I'll pass through the next seed bead, the one seed bead before in the other side. I hope you can see it very well, this seed bead here. This is where I'm passing through, like this. So at this point, I have one of it attached this way. So the next thing to do, I'm going to take my needle and pass through the next size 8. Like this, I'm going to pass through the next size 8 this way. Passing through the next size 8 here, like this. Like this now, I'm going to pick 1 gold, 1 size 8, 3 gold, 3 gold, 1 size 8, and 1 gold. Then I have it this way. Then I'll pass, since I'm coming out of it like this, I'm going to pass behind it the same bead my needle came out from like this. So I have it sitting on the first one we added. So I'm going to pick, first after coming out here, I'm going to pass my needle through this size to the gold here. I'm going to pass through that gold. So after passing through the gold, I'm going to pick 8 seed beads. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then after picking 8, I'll pass through this 3 here. This 3 up here. And I have it like this. Then I'll pick another 8. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then I'll go through the next seed bead down here like this. So at this point, I have it this way. I have it attached like this. So the next thing I'm going to do now, I'll pass my needle through this size 8 here, the first and the second one. I'll pass it through this one, I'll bring it out. Then I'll pass it through the next one. That's the third one in that same row. The third size 8, like this. So here we go. Then I'll do the same thing, pick 1 size 2 and 1 size 8, then 3 gold, 1 size 8, and 1 gold again. Then I'm coming out of this silver here. I hope you can see, this is where my fishing line is coming out from. I'm going to go behind it to bring out this needle. Behind it this way. So the next one, you see, we have the third one attached. Then I'll do the same thing we did on the other ones, then by picking. But first of all, before you start picking your 8, always remember to pass your needle through the seed bead, the one under, like this. Always remember this process. Remember this step, don't forget. Then after coming out of it, I'm going to pick 8 seed beads. 8. I have 8 here. Then I'm going to pass through this 3 here. This 3 up like this. Like this. Then I'll pick another 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then after picking this 8, then I'll go through the seed bead, the 1 seed bead here, the one we picked before, the size 2, through it. Then I'll have it like this. I hope you can see it very well. So the next thing I'm doing now, I'm going to pass my needle through this size 8 here, and the next one, I'm going to pass through those 2, like this. So I'll continue like this till I get to the last one. The same process, the same pattern, by picking one seed bead, one silver size 8, and 3 seed bead and one again, then coming back, passing behind the bead your fishing line is coming out from. You do this till you go around this bead. So at this point, this is where I am left with one. We've not gone through this one here. So what I will do, the same process, remember, pick one size 8, then pick 3 seed beads, pick one size 8, then 1 seed bead, then you go behind this bead you're coming out from, like this. I hope you can see it. So we have this attached. So remember, once you come out from here, don't forget to pass your needle through the seed bead, the last seed bead you added, like this. Then at this point, you pick 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 seed bead. Then pass it through this 3 here, the 3 up, the 3 seed bead here. So the next step, you pick another 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So picking this 8, we're passing through this seed bead. The first seed bead we picked here. So at this point, I have it this way. So now I'm finding a way to tie it so that it will not, to secure this rope. So what I'll do, I'll pass back through the next bead, then go through the first one whoever started with, like this, in this direction. Though at this point you can tie it any way you want it, just provided that it will not pull out. But I'm just showing you my own way of tying it. This design you can use it as a brooch, a earring, or your bracelet, or as just a brooch for your bead, your beaded necklace. So at this point, this is where I'm coming out from, the next one. Then I'm finding a way, I want to tie it here. I'm passing my way through this seed bead in front, like this. Then I'm going to tie it here. I'll make a loop and tie, like this. Then pass through 3 more beads, like this, to secure the one I added there. Then pass through this 3. I hope you can see it. I'm bringing it closer. You're coming out from here. I'm going to pass back through the silver we added, like this. So at this point, I'll pass through this other silver bead, like this. Once my needle comes out now, I'm going to tie it. So here we go. So as it is, it's very tight. Nothing will ever make it pull out. So at this point, here we go. I have those beaded rows. Here we go. So this is the finished result. So the same way I made all those ones. So go ahead and make yours. If you like the way I made this design, don't forget to give a thumbs up, share my videos, like them, and subscribe if it's your first time and if you've not done so. So this is the design. See you next time. Bye bye.